The PlayStation 5 storage just isn't enough, so today we'll show you how to upgrade it with a few easy steps.
For this, all you'll need is a surface to put the PS5 on, a small Phillips screwdriver, an M.2 SSD, which we'll have a few recommendations of in links in the description, a pair of hands, and the god that you pray to so you don't break anything. Just kidding, it's actually really easy to do.
To go along with the installation of the SSD, if your drive doesn't have one, you can install an aftermarket heatsink, which is also easy to do, and that video will be linked in a card above, so just click here.
So first things first, lay the console on its side with the PS logo facing down and the disk drive facing up if you have one. Then, with a bit of force, grab the console as shown in the video and pull down firmly to remove the plate.
Next, remove the screw that holds down the lid to the M.2 SSD bay. Then remove the screw that's already in the console, as you can see us doing. Be sure to keep the spacer provided.
Then put the spacer in the hole that matches the size of your SSD. And now put your SSD with the little gold connectors in first.
Once that's in, use the screw you last took out and secure the SSD down to the PS5 itself, and then close the bay with the metal cover and screw.
And finally, put the PS5 cover back on. It's as easy as that. You don't need an engineering degree.
Then, once you turn on your console, the PS5 will automatically ask you to format the drive for use. And now you have all that space for Call of Duty Warzone because it needs its own drive.
If you found the video helpful, guys, give it a like and check out the channel for more PS5 videos and other gaming content.